Welcome back to College Hill Farm. This is Homesteader Quickie number 17. Well, if you've ever been like me, there are times when you don't have your screwdriver with you. All you've got is a screwdriver. The back of this screwdriver, believe it or not, we're going to show you a little hack today. The back of this screwdriver is made so that a wrench fits right on it. But every screwdriver is different. This screwdriver, a wrench won't fit on that, but the reason it's made with these dents the way it is for you'd be able to use a wrench or a socket. Now I've got two different screwdrivers here. One takes a 7/8 inch socket and the other one takes a 31/32. Okay, and you can turn a screw right in with these. Let me show you. I'm going to take out a screw, get it started on my little pressure treated thing here. Just got it started. Now, put it on tighten. Oop. Now I never would have had the hand power to put in 2 or 3 of them screws. But with this I could put in screws all day long and it wouldn't hurt my little hands like trying to do it like this. Because that's just hard on your little hands. Okay, that's Homesteader Quickie number 17.